Sometimes life gets hard and we all go through stress, sadness, or confusion. But how do you know if what you're feeling is something more? How can you tell if it's time to get mental help? Let's explore some common signs. First, if you feel constantly sad, hopeless, or empty for more than 2 weeks, it might be a sign of depression. It's normal to feel down sometimes, but when it doesn't go away, it's important to take it seriously. Second, if you often feel very anxious, worried, or scared, even when there's no clear reason, you might be dealing with anxiety. Anxiety is more than stress. It can take over your thoughts and affect your sleep, work, and relationships. Third, pay attention to your energy levels. If you feel tired all the time, can't focus, or don't enjoy things you used to love, it may be a sign that your mental health needs attention. Another sign is changes in your eating or sleeping habits. If you're sleeping too much or too little, eating too much or barely eating at all, it could be a warning that something is wrong emotionally. Also, if you feel like you're not yourself, or if your mood changes very quickly and often, it could be a sign of a deeper issue. One more important point. If you've ever had thoughts of harming yourself or ending your life, it's very important to talk to someone immediately. You are not alone, and there is help available. You may also need help if you've gone through a traumatic event, like losing someone close, a serious accident, or any situation that deeply hurt or scared you. Sometimes these experiences affect your mind in ways you don't expect. Lastly, if people close to you, like friends or family, say they're worried about your behavior or emotions, it's a good idea to listen. They may be seeing things you can't see right now. Mental help doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It means you're strong enough to take care of your mind, just like you would take care of a broken bone or a fever. You can talk to a counselor, a therapist, or even a trusted person in your life. There are also free helplines and online services in many places. Taking care of your mental health is a brave and healthy decision. Remember, you don't have to wait for things to get worse before you ask for help. You matter. Your feelings matter, and support is always available.